In this problem, we have been given two numbers. The first number is 1.01 raised to the power 200 and the second number is simply 3. And you have to find which number is a greater number. So how will you do this problem? Generally, in these kinds of problem, we take the ratio, and if we find whether ratio is greater than 1 or less than 1 or equal to 1. Based upon that, we decide whether numerator is greater or denominator is greater or both are equal. Subsequently, we can decide which number is a greater number. But before that, sometimes we need to do simplification. In this case also, we need to simplify these numbers. So let us first simplify these numbers and then we will take the ratio. So more complex number is this, that is 1.01 raised to the power 200. So let us say 1.01 raised to the power 200. This can be written as 0.01. 0.01 is what? 1 by 100. So this can be written as 1 plus 0.01 raised to the power 200. Now this can be written as 1 plus 1 by 100 raised to the power 200. Now if we expand this, you can say that this is 1 plus 1 by 200 multiplied by 1 plus 1 by 200 multiplied by 1 plus 1 by 200, and this will go on, and in the last you will have 1 plus 1 by 200. So how many terms you will have? You will have 200 terms. So in this case, you will have 200 terms. And each term will be 1 plus 1 by 200. So now let us consider number 3. So if we want to compare 3 with this number, it seems we need to also express 3 as product of 200 terms. In that case, what we will do is, we will compare term by term. So we want to write 3 also as a product of 200 terms. How we can do that? So let us say 3 is here. 3 can be written as 300 by 100. So let me write. So 3 can be written as 300 by 100. And I have to convert this one term into 200 terms. So I will write product of 200 terms. So this is the first term, this is the second term, third term, and similarly this will go on, and this is the second last term, that is 199th term, and this is the last term. Now you see the magic lies here. You see, you have 100 here and I will have something in the numerator, and here I have 300. Now see the argument. If you place some number here and the same number goes here, then these two numbers will be cancelled. Similarly, if you place another number here and the same number here, these two numbers will be cancelled. So in this way, all number will be cancelled, including this number and this number. So let us try to see what should be these numbers. So you see, I can place at this place, I can have 101 because I need to have 200 numbers, and this will be again 101 here in the denominator, so these two will be cancelled. Now I will have 102 and 102 here, these two will be cancelled. So what we are saying, these two numbers will be getting cancelled. 103 here, and here you will have 103 in the denominator. So this will keep going. The last term, because you have started with 101, here in the numerator you already have 300 here. So here you will have 299, and there again you will have 299, and here you will have 298. So this basically includes 200 terms. You can verify yourself, because this 300 minus 101, that will give you 199, but 101 is also a term, so this will be 200 terms. Similarly, you can subtract 299 minus 100, that is 199, but 100 itself is a term, so this will be 200 terms. So this verifies that this expression also has 200 terms. So this has 200 terms. And this also verifies that the product of all these terms is again 3, because this cancels out, this cancels out, this cancels out, this cancels out, this cancels out. So effectively I have 300 by 100, that is equal to 3. So now I can say this term can be, so 3 can be written like this. So now we have expressed both terms as a multiple of 200 terms. Now I can take the ratio. So let us take the ratio and compare these two numbers. But before taking the ratio, we can further simplify these numbers. So this can be written as 1 plus 1 by 100, and this can be written as 1 plus 1 by again 101, and this can be written as 1 plus 1 by 102, and this will go on, and finally we'll have 1 plus 1 by 298, this multiplied by 1 plus 1 by 299. So let us take the ratio. So now we have to consider the ratio. So let us consider the ratio of 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by 100. This is the second number raised to the power 200. So one number is 3 and another number is this 1.01 raised to the power 200. So now I can write, so the first one, that is 3, the 3 is this one, that is 1 plus 1 by 100, and this will be 1 plus 1 by 101, 1 plus 1 by 102, and this will go on, and you will have 1 plus 1 by 298, and this multiplied by 1 plus 1 by 299. And in the denominator you will have simply 1 plus 1 by 100, 200 times 1 plus 1 by 100, and 1 plus 1 by 100, and this will go on, and finally this term will also be 1 plus 1 by 100, and this term will also be 1 plus 1 by 100. Now let us compare term by term. So first we will compare these two terms. Basically in this case both numerator and denominator are same, so this is equals to 1. So this term is equal to 1. What about second term, that is this term? Now you see in the numerator you have a bigger number here, that is 101. So 1 by 101, this is a smaller number, and this 100 is a smaller number, so this means 1 by 100 is a bigger number. So overall in the numerator you have a smaller number, because this is 1 plus 1 by 101, 101 is bigger, so this is a smaller, so effectively if you add, this is a smaller number. So in the numerator you have a smaller number, and in the denominator you have a bigger number. So this is a bigger number. This means what? I can say this number is less than 1. Similarly, if you consider all the corresponding fractions, so this divided by this, so this fraction will also be less than 1. Similarly, this fraction will also be less than by 1. So let me move a little bit. So this fraction is also less than 1, and similarly the last term is also less than 1, because you see 1 by 299, this is very small, and if you add with 1, this is a small quantity, but here you have a small number 100, so this is a big quantity, so whole denominator is a big quantity. So now you see you have product of 199 number, so this is from here to here, that is 199 number, all are smaller than 1, and the first number is equal to 1. So this means effectively I can say this is less than 1. So if this is less than 1, this means denominator is larger. So this means I can say 1 plus 1 by 100 raised to the power 2 is a larger number compared to 3. So this is larger and 3 is a smaller number. So I can also say that 1.01, so this is 200. I can also say that is 1.01 raised to the power 200 is greater than 3. So this was the explanation for this problem, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.